So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are diving into world of data mining. Ever wonder how Netflix know what you want to watch next, or how online store recommend product you didn't even know you needed? Well, that's all thanks to the data mining. So let's break down it into a simple way. So data mining definition is data mining is a process of discovering patterns, trends, and useful insight from large amount of data. It uses machine learning, statistical analysis, and database techniques to help businesses make better decisions. So next slide is stages of data mining. Now let's go through the six stages of data mining. These steps turn raw data into valuable insights. First step is data collection. Gathering data from different sources like websites, transactions, and social media. The step number two is data processing, cleaning and organizing the data to remove errors. The third step is data exploration, analyzing data virtually and understand the patterns. Fourth is a pattern discovery, using algorithm to find trends and relationship. The fifth is a evaluation and interpretation, checking if the pattern is make sense or not. The sixth is the deployment, applying the insight in real world application. So next is the key techniques of data mining. Now let's look at some popular techniques using data mining. These are the magic tricks beyond powerful AI models. Classification, storing data into categories like spam versus non-spam email. Clustering, grouping similar data points like customer segmentation in business. Association rule mining, finding relationship like people who buy bread also buy butter. Regression, predicting values like stock price and forecasting. Anomaly detection, spoiling unusual patterns like fraud detection in banking. So next is a application of data mining. So where is data mining used? Data mining is used anywhere from business to healthcare, even a fraud detection. Here are some real world examples. First is a business intelligence, understanding the customer behavior and predicting sales. Healthcare, diagnosis disease and predicting the patient's risks. Third is fraud detection, identifying the specific transaction in banking. The fourth is a social media, creating recommendation system like YouTube video suggestion. Transportation, analyzing the traffic pattern and optimizing route, just like that our Google Maps. So next is a popular tools for data mining. Want to try data mining usage? Here are some great tools to start with. Python. In Python, data mining uses pandas, scikit-learn for data analysis. R is a great for data visualization. RapidMiner is a no-code tool for beginners, and Weka is a open source tool for data mining. Apache Spark for a big data processing and SQL program to extract and manipulate data. So next is a challenge of core data mining. There are some major challenges in data quality issues. If data is incorrect, scalability, large data big can privacy concern, data security in business, computational complexity. Some problems are required this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tech content. And